Alright guys, so this is ForexTeacha from Forex Trend Following Academy. Today I want to give you a free Forex trading strategy that you can trade gold successfully. I want to show you how to analyze gold using the live examples. So I know a lot of you guys can come back and say, no, we know you don't know how to trade. You are just showing us on a chart. So this trade, I actually send it in my Telegram channel. So I'll be sharing with you why I send the signal in the Telegram channel first of all, and then I would give you the strategy of how to do it, so that you will be doing this even if I'm not sending the signals. You should be able to do it. So the good thing about this is that I was just doing analysis on a M1 time frame, which means it was just a in and out very quickly. So my trading, I think when I sent the pending order to you guys, your trade was running for about 5 minutes and then 70 pips was hit right away. So I want to show you how to do the same and give you more examples and more trading ideas of how to analyze the market. Gold is very easy to trade, right? So first of all, I want us to go to today's chart, which is this one. Today it was a non-farm payroll. All right, so you know, whenever there's a big event like this one, the market is going to move rapidly, right? So I don't want to encourage you guys to trade the non-farm payroll, but I want you to trade the after effect of the non-farm payroll, right? So let me just try and switch, maybe change the color. I want to see if this one is visible, if I can show you on this one right here. All right, so the first thing I want to do is to remove this auto scroll, and then I'm going to share this free Forex trading strategy, how to trade gold successfully, right? So if you guys were watching today, the markets right here, this is when the news hit. This was a non-farm payroll, so it jumped from right here, it went up all the way about 240 pips, right? So I don't want to talk about what you could have done or what I could have done, because I actually missed this trade, and I also told you in my Telegram channel that I missed the trade. I think, let me just go to the Telegram channel right there. Let me just hide people's names right there and adjust. All right, so if you go to my Telegram channel, this is one of many Telegram channels that I have. You should also go and watch this video of our gold trade for yesterday. We didn't send this one in the channel, but I just want you to see how easy it is to trade gold. So earlier on, when it was around 22 past 2, I sent this image telling you guys that in the next 10 minutes non-farm payroll is coming in. Please don't blow up your accounts. And then later on, right around 28 past, right here, this was around 28 past 3. This was almost an hour later. I sent a sell signal. So I don't want to talk about what I could have told you to do. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is to copy the price where I said you should enter, and then we'll talk about it and we do the analysis together. I want you to look over my shoulder and watch me doing this live, right? So because I also send this signal live, so there's nothing for me to be, I can just put this line. Let's put the price when I send you guys. I'm sure some of you are also learning MetaTrader right here, that you can also put the value here and then just say okay. So it goes exactly at the price that we had in our Telegram channel, right, which is this one right here that I just copied, right? I said you guys should put your stop loss at 40 pips, right? And this was a stop loss. The target number 1 was 40 pips, right? And then target number 2 was 70 pips, right? So before we get to that, I want to talk about this nice setup that we saw right here. The good thing about this is for free, that I'm going to share with you right now, right? And then if you also want to have my trading system for extra confirmation, right, which is what I did myself, but you could also have placed the trade even without my trading system. So let me just take a moment and give you some time, guys, to just hit that like button and subscribe while I'm loading my charts. All right, so now that we are back, you can see my trading system is on the chart. So please watch this video, because I don't want to sell you my trading system. I want to teach you how to even trade without my trading system, but I'm just putting this just for some people who don't know how to trade. Maybe it will be easier for them to just use the trading system and take the same trades. But for you guys who want to learn the new, and in fact it's not new, there's nothing new about forex trading. This is the same thing that has been happening over and over again. That's why you see my trading systems are very accurate. because I backtest data using a lot of data from way back, right? So I know exactly how the market works, which is what I want to teach you. So I want to teach you this strategy. It's actually completely free, all right? So the only thing you can do for me, hit the like button for me if you like the strategy, and comment in the comment section just to boost the video so that more people can also learn from this. So the first thing I want to do, I gave you the price, this horizontal line, it's where we ended the trade, and then I'm going to share with you exactly what really happened. So if you guys were watching right here, just before the news right here, right, because the news was at 2:30, right, but here on my trading platform it will be showing as 3:30. It's actually an hour ahead, but if you go to my Telegram channel, you can actually see the time was was almost, yeah, it was like 2:22 when I said in 10 minutes. So here you can see, if you guys had this trading system, I gave it for free today. I gave the trading system for free. I said you'll be able to trade the news today for free, and it's just for for the weekend, for you to analyze and see how the trading system was. So I said the first 5 people to view and download that link, it was there, and that's what I did. So that's why I actually missed this opportunity, because I was busy telling you guys to download my trading system and use it for free. So this was just a one-time offer. So here you can see the market crossed right above, right? You can see it crossed above the zero line. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that when the blue line crosses above the zero line, we are looking for buy opportunities. So right here, we're just going to buy right here and put our stop loss below this rejection right here, which is about 30 pips. So you can see the market move about 240 pips. So that 30 pips was just a small movement, but this is not what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about a free trading strategy, right? So today, if you're using this trading system, good for you. We're going to make this money, right? So as we know that every time after a huge news release, there's going to be a jump or a crash, and then it's followed by a correction, and then it's either it continues in the same direction or it will be just a rejection, right? So this is why I always tell my followers, don't marry the trades. Don't try to stick to a trade just because you want it to work out. Ne? You should always adjust according to the trade, according to the price movements, which is why I'm sharing this strategy with you, so that you don't have to lose another trade ever again. Okay, I'm joking on that one. You're still going to lose trades, so you still need to use the proper risk, but you are going to lose less trades, and also in a calculated manner, right? So the strategy, how it works, we missed this opportunity. That's what I wanted to share, right? If I had the trading system, if I was on the chart right at that time, I was going to take a buy right here and easily make this 240 pips in just 1 minute. All right, this was just an opportunity, but it doesn't happen every time. So once I missed this opportunity, I went to my Fibonacci retracement right here, right? Because the first thing that I want to do is to try and calculate. So Fibonacci has some key levels where the price is most likely to retrace, right? It's most likely to retrace, right? So the key level, the main key level is this one right here, which is the 61.8. So once the 61.8 is broken, like what you see right here, it simply means the direction of the market has changed. So if you guys were waiting to take buys here when you see this rejection, this is done purposely by the market makers to fool you to buy so that they can keep up. By the time you realize that no, this is not going to buy, all your stop losses will be hit. If you were using those huge crazy lots, the account is already blown, right? So once you see this, it breaks below. It doesn't always happen, but most of the time when it breaks below, it usually means the direction of the trend has changed. All right, so me personally, I wanted to continue with this because I missed the first move, so I wanted to wait for the key levels to retest on this level here, so that I put just my small stop loss below, which is about maybe 20 pips, just to allow it to 20 pips, and then I'll be target even up here, which is about 100 something pips, right? But I did not get that move. So this is why I was saying, don't marry the trades. Always think and adapt all right, which is why you need to have a trading plan. I always tell you guys, you need to have trading plans, right? So this is what happened. So once it breaks this key level, you can see it was trying to retest here. We could have placed some buy here if I was there, if I like the setup, but my system right here was telling me that, let me just put this vertical line. When my system started telling me that this is a reversal, it was right here, right? So you can see it was right here. If I had placed a buy trade right here, right, I could have put maybe a small stop loss here, maybe 10-20 pips, and target at least 40. It went to 30 pips, but that's not, I can always come and say I could have done this, but I'm just telling you that here my system told me that it's a no-go area, a buy zone is no more, right? So even when it rejected later on right here, I did not place that trade because my system was already telling me this is a downtrend, right? So I did not just jump in also to trade when I received the signal. I wanted to make sure, which is why I had to wait and wait and wait. I saw it break here. So if I wanted, I could also have placed the trade right here, which was going to be, I think it was 40 pips in profit if I'm not mistaken. But I was not sure about the way to put the stop loss, so I did not enter the trade because I didn't know where to put the stop loss. If I had to put it here, it would be almost 60 pips, and I was not prepared to put 65 pips on a stop loss when I'm going to get, you see, it just reached about 54 pips. So I was not prepared. I wanted a tighter stop loss. So I waited. I see the market start giving me this. It crossed again right here, which shows that now we are in a bullish momentum. But I did not enter a trade here in this bullish momentum. But still, if I had placed randomly, just to show you how accurate is this trading system, the price moved from here. It went up about 60 pips, right? Which is still good. But I want to share with you how to do it strategically, right? I waited because I still know that this main level, this 61.8 level, has been broken. So this might just be testing here. It might be just testing these levels and go down, right? Because here I already knew this was already a downtrend. So I waited again up until I received this signal right here. This was a sell. I didn't enter the sell signal right here because this is the same level. If you check right here, right, you can see this is in the same level. So what I wanted was for this level to be broken. So if you guys are new to trading, you should also learn about the structures of the market. Like if a market is going up, it's going to create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then the moment it failed to take out that higher high, and then at the same time, I know that this side here, we are supposed to be going down. My system is telling me we are going down. So I just had to wait for it to cross on this, to break this level right here, right? You can see this level was broken right here, okay? So I want to just drag this trade to show you the levels where the trade was, all right? So I'm sure some of you are learning MetaTrader as we are doing this. So let me remove this Fibonacci level. All right. So this was the trade. This was a sell right here. The take profit was here, which was hit here. You can see this was the stop loss that you see right here. So I want to put a line on the stop loss right here, and then I'm going to put the take profit number 2, which was 70 pips right here. All right. So what happened is that I'm waiting for the price to break this structure here. So it created a lower low right here, right? So I just waited for it to retest. When it retests that lower low, it gave me this bearish candle. I placed my trade right there. Let me just move this vertical line so that you can see it right here. This is when I placed the trade. So it started moving down from there. It was going sideways for some time. And then I sent a pending order to you guys. I think, let me just go to the Telegram channel so that I don't pretend as if I know or I knew what was going to happen before it happened. No one knows how the market is going to play out. So you should always have that second thought that if this happens, I should be out. If this happens, I should be in, right? So in this case, you can see right here, this is the Telegram time, right? It's about 28 past 3, which means on my platform, on the MetaTrader platform, it has to be around past 4. All right, so like I'm saying, this signal was sent at 28 past 3. I'm going to look for 28 past 3 right here. I assume it was somewhere around, let me remove this line so that it doesn't disturb us. 28 past. All right, so you can see 28 past was right here on this candle. I send a pending order right here, which means you guys were just supposed to put your pending order right here. You can see the price went down. It triggered on this one. If I think it didn't trigger, or maybe triggered on this one, I'm not sure, but me, I'd already ended right here. So I was in a trade, the stop loss was here, I never moved it. So I put the stop loss above this high, right? So just to make sure that if it goes above this, it's rather take me out, right? Because this is after news, they can be so much like huge moves, right? So you can see right here, you guys place your pending order right here. It moved the next minute, it activated. If you didn't activate that time, it activated right here. All right, so the moment it activated, you can see it was just 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, which is 4 minutes. Take profit 70 pips right here was hit. All right, so I was waiting. So it's very, very simple, this strategy. You can actually just get the trading system and the trade randomly, like blindly. If you want to, you still make money if you manage the risk. But me, I want to use a calculated risk. I don't want to just place random trades. Even when my trading system is telling me what to do, I have to also do what the trading system can do, right? Like I have to do the other part of the hard work. So if you guys were trading right here, you can see the trading system still gave us a nice bullish signal right here, right? So if you see this nice bullish signal, right, you are following the market right here, you're following the market right here, you can see it breaks this. This was already a lower low, lower high, lower low. It breaks that lower high, which is here, which means it's starting to go up. All right, so you're not going to get these perfect signals every day, but this is how you should also try to look at the markets. So you can see from here to here, this was maybe going to be a stop loss below here, or maybe if you wanted to put here, this is almost 70 pips. So me, I don't like these big stop losses, but most of the time when you have this big stop loss, you can still adjust the lot size and use 1% using that lower risk. Because from here to here, this was 74 pips, 75 pips. So which means we can even target 140, 100 pips. You can see this trade, it reached 140 pips right there. Take profit was going to hit before it turned back right here. So even after hitting that take profit, if you guys want this trading system and are wondering how to get it, please DM me. I'm going to tell you how to get the trading system. I usually give the trading system for free to the people who are following my videos. Like today, who are following my channel, I said the first 5 people to see the message, download the system, I'm going to take out the link. So which means you could have placed the trades right here on this 200 pip move right here if you were watching gold. And the same thing will be happening across all the other time frames, right? So it's just the same. There's nothing that is going to be different, right? So right now, this is a sell signal right here, right? So if you guys are like, maybe you're skeptical that should I place the trade because looks like an uptrend, you can see this is a rejection, a huge rejection, right? But it doesn't always go your side when you get these huge rejections, which is why I was saying you can still use that tool that I told you, the Fibonacci. You can go back to the charts like right here, you put the Fibonacci right here, it will show you the exact levels. I didn't check it yet, but I know that this level should be a key level, right? So if you check right here, if I can say, maybe I put it right here, from where where it started moving, going down, right? You see, from here it moved going down. So you can see these are key levels. When it reached here, it rejected that 61.8 when you are going down. So that alone should be another confirmation if you have this trading system that, okay, if it rejected there, why can't I put my sell right here and also put my stop loss just above, right? So this was also a valid trading signal, and this was going to be a good risk reward ratio as well. Judging from this, I think this is about 90 pips. The stop loss was going to be too much here. 90 pips, but you can still put a 90 pips, but you target also 90 pips. So if it's after the news, you can see this reached 100 pips already here. So it's easy to hit those big numbers if you are trading during the news time. But now, as you can see, it's starting to consolidate right here. But I'm still expecting that the market is still going to move. In fact, it's a Friday. Maybe a lot of people now are not active. But as you can see, this is a very simple Forex trading strategy. And anyone can do this if I can do it. I can promise you that if you want this trading system, you can contact me. I'll tell you how to get the system. This is a premium product. So you can see most of these signals that they are very accurate, right? Even if I go back. So this was before the news. So this candle right here, it dwarfs all the other candles here, but these were nice pips right here. Most of the times when I'm sending you signals, I'm just sending you these small moves, right? But you are still making money, right? So let's say, for example, this is another move right here, right? From here, this went down. If you put your stop loss above here, it went down all the way here. This is about 20 pips. So here, I think since it's a M1, when it's closer to the news, it doesn't move. But if you scroll back, you're going to see some huge, crazy moves right here on the M1 still. You see this one right here. This is a cross from here. No drawdown at all. It dropped, I think, about 60-something pips, right? So I don't want to make this video very long and go off topic. But all I wanted to do is that let me share this. Because Fibonacci is actually very, very useful if you have a very powerful trading system like mine. So if you want to get the trading system after watching the video, feel free to contact me. I'm going to give away to the first 5 people who buy this trading system. I'll give you at half price. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. So I want to do a giveaway, a quick giveaway, that for the first 5 people who are going to contact me and purchase this trading system, you are going to get the trading system at half price, and you also get a one-on-one with me where I teach you how to trade. So trading is actually very, very easy. Lucky for you guys, when I first started trading, when I first started learning about trading, there were no mentors out there. There were just a lot of these fake gurus who make money. They don't even send trading signals, right? But they are busy telling you that you can do this, you can do this, yet they can't even make 20 pips a day themselves. But if you are watching me, guys, this is a signal that I send for free, and it hit 70 pips, take profit right here. So you can see it's very clear, right? I try to be transparent so that whoever is following me, but I know that this market, or this Forex market, there's a lot of people who are talking about trading, and yet they know nothing about trading. So now it's difficult even for people who are genuine to actually share things like this. All the people that come, or that I see the videos, making videos, they are always talking about how to analyze the market that has already passed, right? Me, I showed you right here. This was a trade that was also sent in my Telegram channel. So most of the time when I make a video, it's actually a signal that I also send in my Telegram channel. So you can see, even going back, this was just easy 70 pips. These are not paid signals here. In fact, they are paid signals in the other group, but I just send it randomly this side as well. All right. So you can see, go and watch this video also. This is a trade for yesterday. I think we hit 60 pips. I did not send this one in the group, but this is the one we sent a day before. You can actually see it right here. This was a nice trade as well. I think we hit 110 pips on that trade. This was sent. So everything is just transparent. You can see I updated the trade all the way from when I entered the trade. I say there was a buy pending order, which I say cancel. So this is why I was telling you that you need to adapt to the market. You need to see what is happening. Don't marry the trades. Here, this was a buy pending order, but I know most of you guys who are not, who are new to trading, when you see someone sending a buy signal, a pending order, and then cancel it, you already think that, no, this guy is just choosing where the market is, like it's just looking at the side where the market is going. Of course, that's what you have to do. You have to look at where the market is going, right? And analyze, reanalyze. Even when you're in a trade, you should make sure that don't let your trades go. Like in this case, it was a good trade. It was easy to manage, right? But in some cases, it can be sideways too much that you need to keep on recalculating and to check, reanalyze it, all right? So the moment I say cancel this pending order. I also put another pending order right here, right? And then I think some few minutes down the line, I think it was activated at the around 22 past 4. By 27 past, it was already 30 pips running in profit. I also updated, I think at half past, it was now 45 pips. I updated it live. I also updated around 25 to 26 to, it was 52 pips. Take profit number 1 was already hit. 70 pips profit was hit. No, 70 pips profit. It was running towards the take profit number 2. And eventually, so here I actually made the video for this one, but I don't remember uploading the video. When I said this is the final push, I think that's the video that is, no, I'm not sure. I said this, I'm expecting a final push to take profit number 2. All right. And then I tell the guys, manage your trades. So I said, I'm expecting a final push. You can see right here. I said, I'm expecting final push. It went down 86 pips. 110 pips, take profit number 2 was hit. So you can still go to my channel. I'll put the link. These are free Forex signals. So you can go to my Telegram channel and watch my content. Just if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button. We want these videos to be going viral, not you guys supporting people who are just selling you a dream. Here we are selling you what it is. We are telling you what it is, and it's for free. So make sure to like the video. I know that you guys are not logged into your accounts, but just go and log in so that you like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. And whoever watched the video up this far should contact me. You have your own discount that you are going to get for this trading system if you want it. And you also get a one-on-one coaching where I teach you how to trade. All right.